I've been catching glimpses of you in the crowd, but you don't seem to know that I'm around. I've been trying to catch your eye for so long, but you're just too caught up in your own song. I'm standing here so close yet so far away, hoping that you'll notice me someday. But you're busy living your superstar life, and I'm just another face in the city lights.
Hey lovelies, it's Vlogmas day 2. About to go in this closet and get this Christmas stuff out. So this should be, I'm trying to do as much as I can while the kids aren't like around and, you know, worrying me and stuff. So I'm trying to see, I hope I got enough Christmas stuff. I think I do. This is like my closet where I put in like all my stuff, my Valentine's Day, Halloween. I don't have really a lot of Halloween stuff. I got some little Halloween decor, but mostly it's Christmas. Christmas is my favorite holiday, hands down, hands down. And if the lighting's a little off, I'm so sorry about that because I'm in like this area. It's not a lot of light. Let me see. Hold on 1 minute. I could do it. Would that help a little bit? It helped a little bit, so. But the camera's like acting up. Let me just try to make it do like that and stay put. Lock. Okay, lock the lighting. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to take out all this stuff and you're going to follow along with me while I do it. And yeah, that's it. Some stuff in here is, oh, Easter. Forgot about that. Yeah, and Easter stuff is in here. So this is me. I still haven't got a Christmas tree yet. Like, it's crazy. I got a Christmas tree from last year, but you saw that in last year's vlog. However, all of the like snow and all that stuff was just everywhere, and that tree was just too much of a problem for me. So I was like, no, we're not gonna deal with that tree. We're not dealing with that tree. So I'm trying to do a new tree this year. So fingers crossed it'll be better than last year. Then I get to keep it 10 years like I kept the tree before the one I got the new tree, which wasn't a good tree, was here. Like, yeah, doesn't make any sense. Like I had a tree that I had for 10 years, right? Then I gave that away. Then I bought the new one last year, which I thought that was going to last me for the next 10 years. But no, he decided that he wanted to like be all over my floor and just be messy. So I cannot keep that tree. No, can't keep it. So let me see. My, I know everything is supposed to be, this got to be the Christmas stuff down here. Got to be. I try to organize this closet as much as I can. And I put stuff on here. So as you can see, but I'm going to just get started with what I got. Christmas decorations, a whole bunch of them. So, thankfully, I don't really think I gotta buy any of that stuff. And there's some more like Christmas stuff. Use that. I want to wait till my daughter gets here, but she has so much homework and stuff to do. I don't know why they give the kids so much homework during the holidays. It's really horrible. They shouldn't do that to kids. Like, they even had homework like on during the break. Not my son, but my daughter's school. I think they gave her a little homework and stuff. I mean, it's crazy. I hope college will give her a little bit of a break. I know college, they're not going to give you that much of a break because I was there twice, so I know how it is. But if you put your time right and schedule everything how it should be, then you have a little bit more time on your hands to do stuff, depending on like your classes and stuff like that. So hopefully she'll know how to manage her time like that. But they didn't like give us a whole ton of homework, I don't think. I think we didn't even get homework on weekends, if I remember right. Yeah, so you can do your homework if you want to. But anyway, so I found the Christmas decorations, and I'll pick the vlog back up in a few minutes once I get this stuff out the way, because I can't even walk right now. So I got to step over stuff to get to you guys. Okay? All right. Okay, lovelies. I just wanted to hop back on and show you this Game of Life Super Mario Brothers edition that my daughter bought for my son last year. So I'm taking it out now, because we bought this for Christmas time, so we can play it this year and do Christmas games and stuff, the Game of Life. And this is like how it's set up. I think this is a limited edition, so I don't know. We did get it from Macy's. So, see Macy's right there. So, I don't know. I forget. I don't even know how much it costs, to be honest with you. But you can look it up and see. But this is like my son's favorite game. It's for 8 years and up. So, it's a fun game. So we'll take this out. I didn't even know it was in the closet. But hey, look, that's what you find when you come in here. Plus I found some more Christmas cards and gift sack bags, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm still getting this together and I'll check back in with you all, okay? Found another board game, Candyland. This never goes out of style. This used to be my favorite game as a kid. I still love this game to this day. It's so much fun. Trying to make it through to Gingerbread Land. You know, 2 to 4 players. The more players you have, the more fun it is. So, I love this. And this is ages 3 and up. So, even your littlest kids can play this and have fun. You know, and learn, especially if they're like learning the colors and stuff too. It's a fun game for toddlers too. And adults. Big kids like me. I still like this game. Oh well. Okay, guys, I also have like Valentine's Day stuff in here that I didn't even show. Yeah, so that was the other holiday that I forgot about. So I kind of like label them and stuff. And yeah, this glass is not really a wreck, but it looks like it's a wreck, but it's like an organized mess, you know. So, trying to figure out some more stuff I gotta get out. So, stay tuned. Well, Lovelees, I'm still in the same spot, kind of, but I have moved around. I had to give me some lunch. Had some little noodles, knock these out real quick. Was hungry. So, and then I had to label one of the bags. One of the bags didn't have like a label on it. That was my Halloween decor bag. Then I got my Easter bag. I got my Valentine's Day bag. Now this is the Christmas bag. And I think I got quite enough for Christmas stuff, but like I told you guys in the beginning of the vlog, I just don't have the Christmas tree. So hopefully between now and Friday, I have a Christmas tree. So if I do get one, I'll vlog it to you guys. So I just got to make sure that I get one that doesn't have like the snow on it. Because if it has snow, there's a possibility that it's going to be falling. And I wish they had said something like that on the Bed Bath & Beyond site, which is where I got my tree last year. And I vlogged the experience. So go check in the Vlogmas. I'm sure you guys will find that in my playlist. And it was a good buy, honestly. It was a good buy, but I just hate the fact that it was just, everything was just messed up. So, too much cleaning afterwards. And cleaning, like I put it underneath the rug. I even put a rug underneath it, and it still was just snow just falling off the tree. Didn't make no sense. So, yeah, hopefully I'll find a better tree than that this time around. So I got to keep looking. I didn't find anything what I wanted, so that's why. So I'm just kind of like cleaning up this closet a little bit while I'm in here. And then I'll show you guys the decorations that I got. And I did find a few more decorations from Dollar Tree, but I didn't get too much because I know I already had a lot. So it didn't make sense to get too much, you know. So, yeah. All right, I'll be back. Okay, let me show you guys what I got real quick. This camera up if I can. These 2 pink little trees. Turn the light back on. Any lighting. Got them for Valentine's Day at Dollar Tree, I think last year or the year before. But these are very cute for decor for now. Like, if my daughter feels like making little ornaments, she can. If not, they can be just like this, and they still are cute. Twins, so cute. Then I found some bows in there. And this bag from Ross. Last year, this is going to be somebody's gift bag. These are so cute. They have some more like this now, but they don't have them now like they did last year. So, I don't know. Maybe they have, I think they have different varieties now. They didn't have the same one in like last year. I don't know, but I think it's really pretty. It says joy, love, hope, peace, and that's it. Then I think I might have already shown you guys this. I don't know. These are so cute to put around. Got them in green. These are very cute and festive. I can imagine that with like the pink trees, you know. You're gonna decorate. Then you got these bows. These could actually go on the tree if they will stay. We don't know. The Dollar Tree bows, they don't really stick. So I'm not really gonna put my names all in my basket on these because they may not work. But we're gonna see. Then got these last year, these sacks. Okay, you see them? Very cute too. Found a Christmas card. some gift tags. I'm always running out of these. So I'm so glad I found these. I run out of these so much all the time. But I got some this year, but sometimes I lose them or they don't stick. I got that. And, oh, all these bags that I told you guys about last year that I didn't use, I'm going to definitely decorate with them this year. Just like little bags. Be creative with them, you know. More gift tags. Need those. Christmas cards. Definitely need those. So, yeah. I'm pretty much set. These are all like Christmas cards. Christmas cards that I bought. So, I gotta go through those. Put those for the appropriate people. Then let me get this bag over here for you guys to see. It gave me an opportunity to kind of clean out my closet too. I'm probably not gonna take everything out of here because it would just take too long. So I got this pretty little Christmas blanket. Pretty. Got these trays. It's from last year. Reusable. Reuse your stuff. This. I think this one goes around the tree. Yeah. And guess what it is, guys? It's really like a tablecloth, but I used it as a tree skirt. A skirt around my tree. And it had all this cute stuff on it. See how pretty that is? So I'm gonna use that around the tree again. Of course, I gotta get lucky and get a tree first, right? So yeah, this is just the rest of the Christmas decor ornaments and stuff, so I'm not gonna bore you with that. This is Vlogmas Day 2. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.